my name is Ben Kochie. I'm on the Prometheus team. Welcome to the Prometheus 3.0 Speedrun. So, Prometheus 3.0, we released it last November. It's been really awesome. There's so many different things, it's hard to go through this in 5 minutes, but what I've got now is a quick summary. So, big fun, we built a new UI. It's really pretty. It has a bunch of nice things to help you learn how to use PromQL. We mostly were enabling and removing a bunch of feature flags. So things that were feature flags in Prometheus 2.0 are now on by default and available for use. Lots of nice graduated features. And the migration is super easy. There's not actually a lot of breaking changes that we had to include in Prometheus 3.0, but there are a few small things, so we bumped a major version. 7 years of stability is just insane for an open source project in the cloud native space. Prometheus 2.0 was fully upgradable all the way through 3.0 with no breaking changes. There are almost 10,000 commits between 2.0 and 3.0, and we've already reached 1,000 commits in 3.0. Hundreds and hundreds of contributors to just Prometheus itself, not including the additional hundreds that are part of the original, the additional features in our community. I used to say a long time ago that in Prometheus 2.0, well, you know, if you get to about 1 million series, you might want to start thinking about sharding. Now, today, I don't even tell people to worry about sharding until you reach 10 million active series. Most of that has come from the efficiency gains. In Prometheus 2.0, we rewrote the TSDB, and it took some time to really stabilize and improve the performance and efficiency. And so Prometheus today is not the Prometheus it was 7 years ago. And if you really want to know more about Prometheus 3.0, there's going to be a deep dive talk on Wednesday. Go check it out. I'll pause here for another few more seconds if you want to scan this QR code. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so one of the other fun things with Prometheus 3.0 is we were trying to declare it stable, but we're almost there. We're going to have native histograms. This is a really, really amazing amount of additional power for histogram data types in Prometheus. We're also working on native histogram custom boundaries, which means Prometheus will be able to read classic Prometheus histograms and convert them into native histograms on the fly, and it significantly reduces the storage costs and increases the performance of Prometheus, and allows you to ingest more classic buckets without the extra cost. Also in Prometheus 3.0, we've got a new version of the remote write spec that's more powerful, more efficient. And we're working on the next iteration of the Prometheus/Open Metrics format. That's going to have a bunch of nice improvements. And the biggest thing for Prometheus 3.0 is we're really on board with the OpenTelemetry metrics integration. We have full UTF-8 metric support, so you can have emojis or whatever you want in your metric names, and labels and label names. Prometheus has always been UTF-8 friendly, but it's only been in the label names, not in the label, only in the label values, not the label names. And so now we have full UTF-8 support across everything. And we've got a bunch more interesting native OpenTelemetry interoperability coming down the pipe. Some of the nice things that we'll be able to take the OpenTelemetry counter deltas, and we'll be able to ingest those. That's going to be coming soon. And there's going to be a whole talk on OpenTelemetry and Prometheus on Friday. If you have more questions, we've got a Project Pavilion booth, and you're welcome to come over anytime and ask myself or any of the other Prometheus developers questions. Thank you.